Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping.
So this week the guys decided to join on the hype for social media challenges. They think that it's gonna up our followers somehow, which I doubt. And I know what you're thinking. Kiki challenge, right? Nope. You're doing the hot boiled water challenge. What are these idiots doing?
Okay. Count down.
This is terrible. Why?
3, 2, 1.
God! So they're at the hospital now, with severe burns. And they managed to get the followers they wanted. All because of that news coverage.
ايه يا عم الناس اتجننت ولا ايه؟ ايه الهبل ده؟ تم نقلهم على العناية المركزة. طب ما يروح يا ابني العناية المركزة ولا يتولع فيهم يا عم، دي الناس دي عايزة تموت يا ابني. ما تدوني يا جماعة أخبار عدلة أقراها، ما تدوني حرب ولا ناس ماتت ولا أي حاجة. إيه عيال دارت مية مغلية، مش هكمل يا عم.
I can't tell if they're doing it on purpose now, or it's just luck, or it's just them. So now that I have nothing to do until they're back, I guess I could show you all the stupidest things that these guys have done so far. There was that one time they got a brief for the Kareem launch, and they took it literally by launching Kareem, our janitor, across a building. Can't really talk about it that much because the court case is still happening. The guy's still alive, thankfully. They also tried to invent their own social media challenges, like the taser challenge, the crocodile head dunk challenge, and the beehive catch challenge. And then Ross was trying to do some parkour. And then there was that other time where Nader lied about being a professional snake handler. I already knew he was bullshitting the moment he said that, but they got in a huge fight in a client meeting. Ross tried to stop a wrecking ball. Then there was that time with the modified toy car. And then we had a Lamborghini ad where Ross put a banana in the exhaust pipe of the car.
This is my baby, no fire. Not fire, no.
Mainly
it's just
special
a little
effects.
fire. And now rev.
And then there was that bet that they had if 5 guys could hold a container. Vaguely remember how they survived that one. What have I learned so far? Not a whole lot. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share the video. If anyone's even watching this. Yeah.